Hi, good morning. Why today is gonna be an exciting video is, first of all, I haven't made a video in probably like a long time. I don't know what it is. When you stop making videos or you stop doing something that like you're passionate about, it is so hard when you get out of sync with it, but I've just missed it so much. I thought today would be the perfect opportunity because I'm actually doing something with my life. Weekend getaway. I'm going with two of my really close friends, Michaela and Fernanda. Today I'm just picking up a dress that I got from Opoly, so I have to go and pick that up. You kind of get a kick out of it ordering stuff online, so I have no clue if it's gonna fit. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on because I literally use any excuse to get ready. Sometimes I get ready and I just walk upstairs and my parents are like, who's that? What is going on here? So let me do my makeup. I'm literally going to the mall and this is like the most exciting outfit I have, but I'm just wearing baggy pants. They're navy blue. I actually thrifted them. They're Adidas. Just wearing this black crop tee from Aritzia and this boyfriend zip up from Aritzia as well. Not that it's extra, but it's like kind of extra at the same time. Like I really like think it through because I have nowhere else to wear outfits. So it's Saturday again, so I leave tomorrow. That's the context. So I just got out and I only had one package. I thought I had a couple more. So am I gonna open it right now? Of course. I'll show you what it looks like on when I get home. It looks like this. Even though there's nothing really to do this New Year's, maybe I can just dress up at home. Okay, let's hope this fits. It looks really small. It looks like this. I really need to get gas. My gas light is literally blinking and has been blinking for like 2 days. It's just been pouring rain and I don't know what it is. Like when it's pouring rain, you have to get out and like the rain hits you. I'm so dramatic. Okay. I really didn't film much yesterday because I was kind of in a rut. I was kind of in a panic and I was kind of just trying to figure everything out. Right now it is about 1, which is when we're supposed to leave. I'm only bringing a backpack because it's just for one night. So I'm gonna finish packing really quick and then I'll take you guys to go and pick them up. Three, two, one. I got a little crispy cocoa roll. I made that up, I think.
I got a avocado tofu roll with edamame.
Matza agadashi tofu.
That's
Yum.
gonna be so good.
We just got our matchas. Of course, we all got different milks. I do mine with oat milk. Michaela did hers with almond milk.
Regular, baby. I'm not dairy free.
In our room, literally chaotic energy. We have a bloody knee. This room is actually so nice. We have a little bathroom with lots of mirrors, kind of fun. A beautiful shower, again, kind of fun. This is our room.
It's very nice. We're also excited because the lobby looks really nice. Our outfits are nice. You can take some pictures.
The world is our oyster. I never forget that.
I think concierge is the guy that we just talked to.
Hi, by any chance do you have any robes?
I'm so sorry you're going through this.
Hi, I was just wondering if by any chance you guys had robes. Yes, can we have 3? And also if you guys have band-aids, can we have 2? Are you okay to it's just a cut.
They're so caring. Our robes have arrived.
Wait, put your head on that side. Never did your vlogging. Do it.
Fernanda brought a game called
We're Not Really Strangers.
So it's like a game where you basically kind of like ask deep questions and apparently it's really fun. We're gonna play that tonight. We're gonna go for dinner. We're doing a lot. We're excited about our robes because they didn't originally come in our rooms. We're on vacation mode.
We're in vacation mode. Full on Bali mode.
We're like 20 minutes from home and we're gonna do our little gift exchange right now. Little holiday feel, little festive feel. Do you want to see your haul? We did a little bit of shopping. This is one of the things that I bought. One of the 2 things.
I got these brown sweatpants. I got
these 2 rings.
It's focusing. It's almost there.
We
Love
got
it.
all this limited edition Brandy Melville.
I think I got a sweater vest. That sweater vest is really cute. And I put some brown because
Yes.
obviously.
The last thing I got was these sweats, but mine are just a light brown color. So we actually forgot sweatpants, so we kind of had to buy them or else we wouldn't have had anything to sleep in besides our clothes or our dresses that we brought. We have yet to book dinner. Oh, yeah. We have yet to do anything.
We have done nothing.
A little bit of chaotic energy in
Hard
this
to be
room.
productive when you look this good.
I'm kidding. It's just when you have the robe.
The robe makes me feel like a queen.
You're so cute. Like she made this little thing.
And then I just printed it out and then I made the cover.
You were actually the cutest person. You guys, I have Saturn. Fernanda has the sun.
We triplets! My Bay and Maya. Yeah, actually, I like how all our stuff is like zodiac.
We literally have so much matching stuff. So cute. It's a Brandy Mumble sweater. Laying out our outfits all cute just for fun. Life is more fun that way. So we do all the little things everywhere we go. So this is a blue dress from Fashion Nova, and then the leather blazer is from Shein. Boots are from Shein.
Love this. Let me explain. My blazer is from White Fox. This skirt is also from White Fox. This shirt is just a little tank top. This is from Boohoo. And then this is the Vivienne Westwood. And then we have some earrings from Every Jewels. And then this is from Adina's. And then I'll have these rings that are from Ana Luisa.
We need to go. We're going to a place called Italian Kitchen, we think. Hopefully we can actually get in, because when we called the person, he said that we might not be able to get in. So we're either gonna say yes or no.
Hopefully he says yes.
I'm so excited. Way comfier clothes. Literally the best part of every night. Every single night, even though I'm already in this outfit every single day of my life, there's still nothing like getting changed out of uncomfortable clothes. Bedtime. So we just put our face masks on. Actually ridiculous. Fernanda fits perfectly on her face.
Perfect fashion week looks.
So it doesn't.
Why are my eyes so red?
Feeling good.
Black ass shit.
So we're excited for our day, but we do need to get ready. I think we're gonna go to the art museum today. We're gonna have to check out of our room at 1. It's already 11:45, so we just have to get ready. I know.
No, it's time now.
But we've just been enjoying our morning and the last couple moments we do have here. I'm gonna show you the view. It's stunning. It's, yeah, amazing. And it's raining. I think we're gonna go to the art museum, so it's gonna be better because it doesn't really matter if it's raining or if it's sunny outside. So yeah, you can see what we look like, and then I'll update you when we get ready. I'm wearing this top from Shein. My jeans are from Shein. It's like nice and flowy. They look like this. And then I'm gonna be wearing my black little purse. So this is what we look like now that we're ready. It's kind of risky because it is snowing where we live.
It's okay. It'll be fine.
It's not snowing here though.
Driving back, it's
gonna be a little bit, especially with how yesterday's driving went.
Talk about that another time. That was really scary.
It's exciting. We're all looking very cute.
So cute.
These chunky boots.
So cute.
Shein, Princess Polly,
Shein, pulling first.
American Eagle, Aritzia, Cold Spring.
Okay, so we're gonna get on our way. It's kind of sad that we're leaving.
I know, we need to leave it, but it's okay. We had so much fun.
Yeah.
And it's not over yet.
Shein. I'm like Shein.